Set aside all of your RV-related knowledge. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. Here, a Ferrari's aggressive DNA coexists with the opulence of a five-star hotel. A masterpiece of aggressive aerodynamics, the exterior has a Y-motif, sharp lines, and a carbon fiber body. This design aids in its ability to cut through the air thanks to a hybrid V12 engine that generates over 1,000 horsepower. It's more than a spectacle. It is a motorhome with a hypercar's heart, giving you amazing acceleration and quick torque, proving that speed and luxury can coexist. Once inside, the driver's cockpit is a symphony of performance and technology. The dashboard is a single, curved panel of carbon fiber and Alcantara that is solely focused on the driver. Your command center is a massive, curving OLED monitor in the center that displays everything from speed and navigation to a 360-degree camera image of your surroundings. Physical buttons have essentially been replaced with haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that responds to all of your orders. This is not just a dash. This is the control panel of a future spacecraft. The living space is where the true elegance is displayed. It features an open, spacious layout, clean lines, and a straightforward design. The modular seating, which has exquisite stitching and is upholstered in Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery, may be arranged to create a formal dining room or a cozy lounge space. The smart glass technology on the panoramic roof can quickly switch from transparent to opaque with a single touch, giving you privacy or a breathtaking view of the night sky. Everything in the inside, including the climate and sound system, is controlled via a single tablet. Your sanctuary is a king-sized bed that appears to hover, poised in space. The walls are a blend of soft Alcantara and ambient LED light strips that may change color to suit your mood. It's a tranquil sanctuary with a built-in entertainment system, separate storage areas, and window blinds that automatically adjust their position in reaction to the sun's rays. Here, isolated from the outside world, you may unwind and revitalize yourself. The bathroom is a spa-inspired sanctuary. The feeling of spacious grandeur is created by a smooth, transparent shower enclosure and walls covered in marble-like composite materials. The smart mirror has an integrated display that shows the news and the weather, while the modern sink is a straightforward work of art. Because of the adjustable lighting and ideal water pressure, you can always rely on a refreshing experience wherever your travels take you. A camper's kitchen is not like this. The space is a culinary marvel, including an automated pop-out countertop and a fully integrated equipment suite. Simple panels skillfully hide a secret induction cooktop, a compact convection oven, and a built-in espresso machine. The primary tablet that controls the entire kitchen and the smart refrigerator that contains everything you need make cooking simple and futuristic.